In this video, we're going to show you how to connect to the BidX MCP using Claude. First, open Claude. On the left-hand side, click on Customize and click on Connectors. Now click on the plus sign to add a new connector, a custom one. Call it BidX MCP and paste the BidX MCP URL into the next field. Click on Add. Now it asks you to connect. Before you connect, please make sure to log in into your BidX account. Now click on Connect and approve the connection to Claude. That's it. As soon as you're now going to open a new chat and ask Claude anything about ASIN, total sales, paid sales, whatsoever, it will refer to the Claude skill using the connected MCP from BidX, and it will access all your live data directly via Claude. You can run analyses, you can check for new chart types that didn't exist before that were on your mind, and do deep dives into areas that have been hidden before.